This recipe for savory whipped cream is incredible.
Savory whipped cream has 4 ingredients. Of course, the heavy whipping cream, a little bit of goat's cheese right here, fresh lemon, some roasted garlic, some fresh herbs. Man, that smells incredible.
If you've never made roasted garlic, it is actually a super easy process. So take a whole head of garlic, wrap it in some tin foil, and chuck it in the oven 375 degrees, and it'll be done in around 45 minutes. You end up with this beautiful roasted garlic. Let's add some more incredible flavor with some fresh herbs, rosemary, thyme, and some sage. So I take 2 sage leaves and take a pinch of rosemary and thyme and place them right on top of the sage leaves. And I'll just roll up the sage nice and tight with the rest of the herbs and run your knife through it 1 time, maybe even 2, depending on how fine you want your herbs. No more than 2 passes though.
Into the mixing bowl, I'm going to go in with about a 1/4 cup of room temperature goat's cheese, some little roasted garlic and freshly chopped herbs into the bowl. And then I'm going to do the zest of 1 lemon. Fresh lemon zest is such a great thing. I mean, adds so much flavor. That's where all the lemon flavor is actually in a lemon, is in that rind, because it has most of the oils of the lemon in it. Start with 1/2 teaspoon of some kosher salt. Just using my whisk to kind of mash up that roasted garlic and that goat's cheese. This actually smells incredible. It's giving off such a beautiful aroma already. 1/2 cup of heavy cream. And then just gonna whisk away until it forms stiff peaks. Should take anywhere between 2 to 3 minutes. It's already kind of thickened already with that goat's cheese in there. So it's gonna be able to get to that stiff peak much quicker than if it was just whipping just plain heavy cream.
Turn the mixing bowl every once in a while and get a different angle. It'll help your arm rest a little bit, and it'll help you use that contour of that bowl, helping you whip the cream into whipped cream even faster.
Beautiful.
Savory whipped cream adds incredible flavor to soups. My favorite way to use it.
It's important to taste what it is that you're putting the whipped cream into first before you add any of the whipped cream. That way you make sure that you don't add any kind of offensive flavors to it. It's gonna be perfect. Let's give it a taste, make sure it doesn't need any more roasted garlic, doesn't need any goat cheese, any more salt, you know what I mean? It's perfect. You can taste everything. The goat cheese hits first, then you taste a little bit of saltiness in the roasted garlic, and then finish with that lemon zest on the end. It's a beautiful thing. And for me, I really love me some black pepper on top of the soup. Just put it right on top of that whipped cream. And then finish it off with a little pinch more lemon zest. If you want to see how I made this beautiful soup, check that video out right there. And do not forget to subscribe if you love cooking from scratch as much as I do. I will see you next time. Stay happy, stay blessed, and of course make incredibly tasty food.